Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Ritz Makeup Vlogs. So today's our makeup is all about glow, glam and party. So today I'm going to teach you makeup about glowing glam party makeup. How can your skin feel very much glowing, and how can you do a very glowing makeup even if your skin is not so much glowing. So we will use some of the products which can make our skin glow, and I'll be showing you how to do the glam party glow makeup. So first I'll be taking the New Feel facial spray so that our skin feels very much moist. I'll just be spraying some of the pumps on my skin, and then I'll be just smudging it all over my face. Next I'll be taking the moisturizer. This is from Celux Green Leaf. You can find it in Taobao. It's a very good brand. We'll moisturize our face well. Next we will be using our primer, that is from Insight. This I bought from India. Next I'll be taking the Maybelline Dream Satin Skin Foundation, and I'll be mixing it from Miss Claire Illuminator. I'll be taking 2 pumps, you can see, and then I'll be adding some illuminator. This is also I bought from Nykaa. If you need, you can add this, but as you know, it's a glow makeup, so it's better we add some illuminator. And I'll be taking this rotating brush. This is an electric rotating brush. I'll be taking this in the brush. Now I'll be taking another brush, and I'll be just spreading all over the foundation. Now I'll be taking the Anastasia Cream Contouring Palette for my concealing. Taking a flat brush, and I'll be just first applying the red corrector all over my eye area. My upper lip area. I have a bit of pigmentation. Those of you have pigmentation, you can apply this trick as well, so that your dark circles will be covered. And then I will be taking a flat brush and will be smudging it all over. Now I'll be taking another shade, which is this one that's matching to my skin tone. I'll be taking this shade, and I'll be applying on the same areas where I had applied the red corrector, so that the pigmentation will be covered. I'll be taking this shade, little bit I'll be smudging all over. Now you can see my dark circles are almost covered, only because of this color correction process. I suggest you to try this process if you have pigmentation. It's very much effective and useful for everybody. We're done with our base makeup. I'll be setting this all with a loose powder so that our makeup doesn't smudge and it's very lightweight. I'll be taking a loose powder and just would be smudging it. Every time when you use concealer, you have to use your loose powder or any compact to set the concealer, so that it doesn't smudges and it doesn't feel very heavy on your face. We are done with that. So we are done with our base makeup. Now we will move on to our eyes. Now I am taking the eyeshadow. I am taking this Fable eyeshadow palette. You can see I think it's mirrored, so the name is not visible clearly. So I'll be taking a lighter shade and would be doing it on my outer brows. We'll be taking a brush and I'll be taking this shade. I hope you can all see this shade. I'll be taking lighter shade, this one, and would be just going over it again. If you want, you can try the tape hack also. In the next video I will show you how to use a tape hack for making a winged eyeshadow. Now I'll be taking a lighter shade, that is this white, like a white shade, creamy shade, and we'll be just doing it downside. We'll be making a base for our crease with this cream color. There I'm making a base, and over here too. Now I'll be taking a creamy concealer and I would be applying it on my crease. I'll be smudging it with a angular brush. Now I'm taking a shimmer shade and I'll be applying it on my crease where I took the concealing part, and I'll be taking this shade. Now I'm taking the glitter primer and I'll be applying it on my cut crease. It's a glitter primer, you can get it anywhere, this one. Now I'll be taking the loose glitter, golden glitter, and I'll be applying it on my crease. I have just underlined my waterline with a white eye pencil. You can use any eye pencil. Now we will be doing the face part, and I'll be using this color for the blush. And I'll be taking the brush and dusting off the excess one. And whenever you apply brush, just smile a bit, and you have to apply the blush on the apple of your cheeks, not anywhere else. So we will just smile and we'll just apply it on upward motion. If it's too much, don't worry, you can take a neat and clean brush and you can dust it off later. So we have applied the blush and I feel it's too much, so I'll take a neat and clean brush and I'll just dust it off the excess one. Actually, you have to just merge it in your skin. It's not that you have to dust it off. You have to just merge it in your skin so that it doesn't look awkward. I have already applied the blush on my apple of my cheeks. Now I'll be applying the highlighter with a highlighting brush. That's the highlighting brush, and I'm going to bronze my face today with a brown color, so I'll be taking this shade. As it's a glow makeup, so we will be applying some white highlighter so that our face looks very much glowing. This one. So I have just applied a maroon lipstick that is in the metallic shade. You can buy it from Maybelline, and now I'll be defining my brows, and our glitter is also dried up, so now we can apply the liner easily. So I'll be applying the liner and the kajal. First I'll be doing my eyebrows. I'll be taking a spoolie and would be setting my eyebrows. You can take a spoolie like this and you have to just set your eyebrows in a shape. We'll be done with the eyebrows. Now we'll be taking the pen eyeliner and I'll be just making my eyes. It's quite difficult to apply a pen eyeliner on a glittered eye, so I suggest you to use liquid eyeliner. That would be easier and you will be able to apply easily on the glitter. I'm feeling a little difficulty in applying this eyeliner. I don't have the liquid eyeliner in my hand now, so I have to manage it with this one. But we are almost done. Finishing off with the kajal. The kajal you have to just apply it inside. So there we are with the final look. Please do like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. And please do comment how did you feel the video, and if you want any other video, please do comment in my channel. I'll be very much pleasured to make a video for you all. Thank you everyone. Do comment in my channel. I'll be very much pleasured to make a video for you all. Thank you everyone. Love you all. Bye.